Okay, guys, we have crab ragoons. Guys, you have no idea how excited I am for this. This one's flat. I have sweet tea to drink. There's not much crab or the ragoon in here. There's a lot of bread, but I don't mind that. I love the breading. Let's see what my fortune is. Your next Chinese meal will bring you more cookies. Oh my gosh, always. This week, let go of any past regrets and forgive yourself. I don't have any regrets, so if I did it, I did it. So what? I'm gonna try them with the mustard. It doesn't smell like mustard. It's good, but it does not taste like mustard. It tastes like, maybe it's Chinese mustard or Japanese, I don't know. Let's try it with some soy sauce. Ooh, Lord. Oh. I forgot to say, guys, I like it better with the duck sauce. There's no crab in this, though. These kind of look more like empanadas. You guys see what I mean? There's not, like, really crab. I wish they gave me more duck sauce. I love eating, bro. And so, oh, I know how cute my cup is. It has all these stickers. Did you hear that? I don't know what that was. Oh. She's chunking. Me. My hair. I'm gonna gain a lot of weight. I need to stop. Now we're gonna take a bite of my last piece of my fortune cookie. They should give us like 4 of these. Like, what is... Alright, guys, so that's it for this mukbang. Let me know if I should do more of these, because I will gladly do more mukbangs. But yeah, let me know.